Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if your Poco C75 5G is original or fake. Now to do that I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your Poco phone is original. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just dial *#*# 64663 #*#. Now from here you can check the hardware of your smartphone. For an example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone, and also you can test the other hardware of your smartphone. And if you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers which is given on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Mi Global. Now just open the Xiaomi Global website. From here, just scroll down and tap on customer support. From here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now as you can see, there are many ways to connect with Xiaomi's customer support. You can connect with Xiaomi's customer support through the chat service, or you can connect with Xiaomi's customer support through the email support or through the phone number. Just select the chat support. If the chat support is not available in your country, just select the email support or the phone number. From here, just scroll down. Now from here, just tap on live chat and tap on privacy policy. Now just go back and tap on yes. From here, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on submit. Now from here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Welcome to Xiaomi's customer service." Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. From here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number on the screen and tap on the three dots over here. Now from here, just tap on copy. From here, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app. Now from here, just paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone. Now as you can see, below the IMEI number is given our smartphone's details. Now from here, just check if the details given on the Xiaomi's customer service website is identical to your smartphone. Now from here, just check the warranty start date and also check the warranty end date. Now from here, just make sure to check the activation date of your smartphone. And this is how you can check if your Poco C75 5G is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.